What's your mom's phone number, Natalie?
She got it on her phone.
My last phone number?
No,
my phone number?
Yeah.
727-554.
Your phone number? No,
No.
you need a house phone number.
Oh,
Somebody got your contact phone.
596.
72. Yeah, appreciate it. Thank you.
596 8104.
Who is that?
That's the house phone. It's
Okay.
gonna ring the whole house. Either Mimi, Papa.
Do they know what's going on?
Answer it.
They know what's going on?
Do you think they know what's going on?
Why did you tell him you got outrun him? You don't say that on no camera. Alright, here you
Can I
go.
hit my neck?
You don't.
No.
You don't say that on camera, bro. You gotta hit the court. It's gonna be fucked up.
So,
You don't say that on camera.
all right. So you got that. All right.
He lit the infinity up.
So.
Alright.
Alrighty.
I appreciate it.
Yep.
On April 23, 2023, a traffic stop escalated into a criminal arrest after a driver attempted to flee from law enforcement, raising critical questions about constitutional rights and decision-making.
Over here. How old are you?
18.
All right. Hands behind your back.
Can I take my phone?
What?
Can I take my phone?
Yep. All right.
Can I get my phone real quick?
Hold on. I will get it for you, okay? I'm going to go back to my car. Nothing on you, right? In your pockets?
No.
Okay. Have a seat.
Don't think.
You're under arrest. Have a seat.
Have a search.
Yeah, you can see it right up
That's 146.
there. While you are being questioned,
For welfare check.
you cannot afford one. To hire
Go
one
for it.
will be appointed to you to represent you before any questioning. If you wish, you can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions, or make any statements. You understand these rights as I've read to you?
Mm-hmm.
You have these rights in mind, you wish to talk to me. But you saw me pull out, and then what happened?
I honestly just thought I could get away, which was kind of stupid in hindsight, because I don't want to pay a ticket, but now I'm arrested, so...
Yeah, now you're going to jail, correct. Search you, then we're going to put it in the back of your car, okay? We'll do some paperwork.
Yeah. You have anything on you that's going to hurt me, stick me, poke me? No. Okay. Anything in your shoes? No, should I take them on? No, you're fine. Alright. Come on.
Walk over the bench on the other side of my car, okay?
You have a way home? Yeah? No?
Okay, thank you. What's your mom's phone number, Natalie?
She got her phone number.
My last phone number?
No,
My phone number?
yeah.
727-554.
Your phone number? No,
No.
you need a house phone number.
Oh,
Somebody got your
59.
contact phone.
596.
72. Yeah, appreciate it. Thank you.
596. 8104.
Who is that?
That's the house phone. It's
Okay.
gonna ring the whole house. Either Mimi, Papa.
Do they know what's going on?
answer it.
They know what's going on?
Do you think they know what's going on?
Why did you tell him you got run him? You don't sit out on camera. Alright, here you
Can I
go.
hit my neck?
You don't.
No,
You
no.
can't- You don't say that on camera, bro. You gotta hit the court. It's about to be fucked up.
So,
You don't say that on camera.
all right, so you got that. All right,
He lit the infinity up.
so,
Alright,
alrighty.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Under the Fourth Amendment, traffic stops constitute seizures that must be supported by reasonable suspicion. Once a driver flees, probable cause for arrest is established. The officer immediately orders the subject to place her hands behind her back for handcuffing. Pennsylvania versus Mims, decided in 1977, authorizes this action. Under Mims, officers conducting lawful traffic stops may order vehicle occupants to exit without additional suspicion. However, immediate handcuffing indicates arrest, not mere detention. Before conducting any search, the officer asks about weapons or sharp objects. This is standard protocol serving dual purposes: officer safety and establishing good faith. The search incident to arrest is lawful under Arizona versus Gant. Officers may search arrestees contemporaneously with arrest for weapons and evidence without a warrant. Once the subject is secured in the patrol vehicle, the officer must address Fifth Amendment requirements before any custodial interrogation can begin. Miranda versus Arizona, decided in 1966. Established 4 mandatory advisements: right to remain silent, statements used against you, right to attorney, and appointed counsel if indigent. The officer delivers all required Miranda elements. While his pacing is rapid and runs elements together, the advisement is legally sufficient as all components are present. The subject responds affirmatively when asked if she understands her rights and wishes to speak. This constitutes a valid waiver, though explicit verbal confirmation is preferable. Courts recognize implied waivers through conduct when the totality of circumstances demonstrates the waiver was knowing, intelligent, and voluntary. With Miranda waived, the officer asks what happened. The subject provides a complete confession. I honestly just thought I could get away, which was kind of stupid. This statement proves both actus reus and mens rea for fleeing and eluding. She admits seeing the officer, attempting to escape, and her intentional criminal state of mind. Fleeing and eluding statutes typically require 3 elements: emergency equipment activated, marked patrol vehicle, and willful attempt to flee. Her confession eliminates any reasonable doubt. The prosecution now has direct testimonial evidence of every element needed for conviction. The systematic search reveals no contraband. The officer maintains professional demeanor throughout, avoiding confrontational language or unnecessary force. During booking procedures, someone warns the subject about speaking on camera. This highlights a critical principle. Body cameras record continuously, and all statements are evidence. Even casual remarks made during transport or booking can be used in court. The Fifth Amendment right to silence applies throughout custody, not just during formal interrogation. The officer receives a grade of B+. He conducted a lawful arrest based on probable cause and properly administered Miranda rights with all required elements. His search incident to arrest was systematic and appropriately scoped. He maintained officer safety protocols while treating the subject with professional courtesy. Areas for improvement include Miranda pacing. Best practice is pausing after each element and confirming understanding individually rather than delivering as a run-on statement. The subject receives a grade of D-. Her decision to flee transformed a minor traffic citation into a criminal conviction with severe consequences. A traffic ticket typically costs $100 to $300 with no criminal record. Fleeing and eluding carries jail time, thousands in fines, and permanent criminal history. Her second critical error was providing a full confession without invoking her right to silence or requesting an attorney. While honesty may be admirable morally, legally it was catastrophic. She gave the prosecution everything needed for conviction on a silver platter. Once arrested, she was cooperative and compliant, showing some judgment. However, these positives cannot overcome her fundamental failures in decision-making. Key lessons from this case. First, fleeing from a traffic stop is almost never rational. The consequences of evasion invariably exceed the original violation. Second, understand Miranda rights before waiving them. The right to remain silent exists specifically to prevent self-incrimination. Third, request an attorney before making any statements during custodial interrogation. You cannot unconfess once words are spoken. Fourth, everything said in custody is recorded and admissible. There are no off-the-record conversations with law enforcement. Fifth, cooperation after arrest does not erase earlier poor decisions. The time to make smart choices is before criminal conduct, not after. This case demonstrates how split-second panic decisions can produce life-altering consequences. The subject chose to flee to avoid a $200 ticket. The actual cost includes criminal conviction, potential jail time, fines exceeding $5,000, license suspension, vehicle impound fees, and increased insurance for years. Total financial impact could exceed $20,000 over several years, not including employment consequences from a criminal record. From a constitutional perspective, this case illustrates the interaction between Fourth and Fifth Amendment protections during traffic stops and arrests. The Fourth Amendment permits traffic stops with reasonable suspicion and searches incident to lawful arrests without warrants. The Fifth Amendment requires Miranda advisement before custodial interrogation and protects against compelled self-incrimination. However, these protections only work when individuals understand and exercise them. Rights exist on paper, but must be invoked to provide actual protection. The officer's performance reflects solid understanding of constitutional requirements and professional execution of arrest procedures. The subject's performance reflects common failures in understanding legal rights and making rational, cost-benefit decisions under pressure. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.